Hello everyone and welcome to my channel X7 Scratch Tutorials. My name is Suryansh Kushwaha and today we are going to make a security system. So here I've already renamed it to security system. I'm going to delete this sprite and we want a guard for a guard for the security system. So I will choose a sprite and I will take Ben. I will go into the costumes and I will select Bendy and I will delete all the others. I will just keep Bendy and I'm going to rename it to Ben the Guard, and I'm also going to make it look like a guard, like make it uniform blue and its pant jeans like this, and I'm going to write here with the text tool police, and I'm going to rename it to police, and I'm going to resize it a little bit smaller and which could fit in Ben the guards. Yeah, and it is done. Now I will place Ben the guard here, and now I will take when green flag clicked, and then I will go into the looks and I will place here say this for 2 seconds, and I will set 2 seconds to 3, and I will write here mhm, right here, tell me the password to get the diamond. Next I'm going to make a diamond, so I will go into paint a sprite. I'm going to draw a diamond which will be blue and its outline will be black. Zoom in. I will draw a rectangle. I'm going to place it in the center, and then I'm going to resize it with this tool. Place it here, and I will do it up, and then I will set it to pointed. Then I will place another right here. I will do it like this by pushing it, and then I will set it to pointed. So now this looks like a diamond, and I am going to use the line tool with 4 to draw line which makes it look like it's being cutted. Okay, like this. Here it is done, and I'm going to rename it to diamond. And now I want this diamond to hide when there's nothing and show when the password is correct. So I will go into the sensing, and I will take ask and wait, and then I will set there what is the password, question mark. I'll put here question mark, and then it is done. And now I want uh that when the password will be correct, so the diamond will show up while it is hiding. So I will go into the control and I will take forever, and inside forever I will put if then if the condition is this, then it will execute the code whereas what I have there. So I'm going to write here, I will go into operators and I will take this one. There are three of these. I will take the last one. This is equal to this. So I am going to sensing and I will take answer from here, this and circle, and I will put it here. And then I will write here 9010. So now it is written 9010. Now what will it do when the answer will be written 9010? I will go into the events and I will take broadcast message 1 and wait. This what do that if this thing is done, then it will broadcast the message and other sprites can receive the message and do and follow the code. So I will add a new message and I will write here password is correct. So now password is correct, it will say. And then I will come into here. I will take when I receive password is correct. So when I will put the correct password and the password will come correct. So what will happen that when the guard will send the message that the password is correct and the diamond will become visible. So I will take when green flag clicked and I will take here, I will put here hide. So it will hide and I will click the and when click the green flag and when the password will be correct, then it will in its looks it will show. Let's test this. Tell me the password to get the diamond. What is the password? 9010, and here the password is visible. So that's easy. Now I'm going to add a backdrop to make it look more attractive. I will go into the indoors one and I will take room one. I will place it here. I will decrease its size to 50, a smaller diamond which can cover one of these things. Let's make it 60. Now it's done. Let's see this. Tell me the password to get the diamond. What is the password? So the password is 9010 and I will enter this. So this much only for today's videos. Like, subscribe and share the video and be sure to check the link in the description to go to the online website of Scratch. Bye.